visible?
Yes, sir.
First, suppose there is a string simply hi. String means what? Compulsory end with a null character. First, suppose if someone asks print a string without using format specifier, you have to print character by character. At that time, what we have to do? Simply by starting with the while loop or for loop until reach the null character. You have to print simply character by character. Printf %c that array of I. For suppose it is stored in some array, let it be. Then you can make as simply by using format specifier as format C. Then simply you are giving a of I. With this you can print character by character until when to reach the null character. Same manner printf also do the same thing. Still any doubt how printf will work by using percentages?
No, sir.
Yeah. Yeah, move further. Yeah, tell me first of all, we started the string concept, na? If someone asks what is the string means, what is your answer?
It's a collection of characters terminated by a null.
Collection of character
Terminated with /0.
and or terminated with null. End with null character. Then after, is it, for suppose if I want to practice on string concept, practice on character array, is it enough? Nothing but character array also called string only. Character array is called string. Like only the characters. If I want to familiarize with the string concept, is it okay to practice on only array concept with character elements? This is not sufficient because in array we have only the concept like insert or else first update the array. Update array, insert element or delete element or else rotate or shift, rotate or modify the data. These all are we are doing on the array concept, whatever it may be. It is integer array, character array, float array, whatever it may be. For coming to the strings, in C we have some predefined functions or some library functions. By using those predefined functions, we can achieve like no need to write lengthy again the code. Simply we are using those predefined functions. We are utilizing by using those predefined functions, we can achieve our requirement. In strings, may I know any predefined functions you know? What are the
STR, len,
len next?
strcat,
str?
cat,
String concatenation next?
strchr,
strchr?
strchr,
strchr?
strrev,
strrev?
strcpy,
strcpy?
strcmp,
strcmp?
strcat,
strcat already said by Divya, I think so.
strcat, strupr,
str?
upr,
Okay, uppercase.
uppercase,
If it is upr, then immediately lower.
memmove,
Yeah, memmove,
memset,
memset 3 we have. Another one? Memcpy also is there.
Yes.
Memmove, memset, memcpy. Next. strrchr. Have you ever heard this string handling function? strrchr. Same like strstr, but here extra or with char. Yeah, okay. How many? 1, 2, 3, 9.
strncpy.
strncpy. Okay. Next. Okay.
strncpy.
str
Ncopy.
mcopy and copy.
Ncopy.
This one only. No? strncpy means strncopy only.
strncmp.
Okay. Okay. Got it. strncmp. Okay. Next, any other?
strnchr.
str nchr.
Nchr.
Okay. Any other? Think most used one. You are forgotten. strct. Okay.
Yes.
If you are attending this vector assessment test, this is the most used predefined function, and most of the time asked one this one only. strct. Okay. Next, any other? String reverse came, na? Yeah, string reverse came. String ncmp also came. Yeah, okay. Now tell me, for each string handling function, what is the use? For suppose if you take strlen, whenever you are practicing these string handling functions, you have to practice in the way that what is the syntax? What is its syntax? What are the arguments it's needed? And at least 2 or 3 programs you have to practice to get a hands-on experience on the predefined function. Yeah, now we discuss on what is the use case and its syntaxes. Is it fine or any approach you want, like any particular string handling function we will discuss? Is it okay, guys? Like, what is the purpose and the syntax of the predefined function? Then we go for the program wise. Now, come to the string length. Anyone tell what is the use of this predefined function? What it will do?
To find the length of the string
Length
means
of the
number
string.
of characters in a string. Yes.
Length of the string means what? How many characters?
Yes.
That's it. How many characters present in that string? String means including with null also. String means collection of characters and with null. As you said, length of the string means length of how many characters present in that string. Is it count null getter or not?
No, no.
No, except
Means-
null characters.
This is the main thing you have to tell, except null character. Okay. Now this is the, for suppose this is the my string. What is the string length of this?
5.
String 5.
5.
Now tell me what is the syntax of the function. Anyone? Syntax is size underscore t. You may doubt what is size underscore t.
Unsigned.
Same like if you're practicing in ARM project, ARM lab, there you are created one header file types.h. In that same manner, in C we have types.h. Predefined header file is there, types.h. In that they will mention this hash define, like we are using the hash define int is called like that. In that same way, u8 unsigned character you are using u8 like that. Here in the syntax manner, this is like global. Like if you are telling to anyone what is the return type, you have to tell like return type is size underscore t. It is unsigned integer. Means positive numbers only it will return. Then after strlen, string length. What are the arguments we have to pass?
String base address.
Constant cut.
String means string base address is fine, but when you are using the string length function means if you are implementing your own string length function, in that string length function you don't modify the main string. Means you don't delete the character or modify the characters like that. That's why here we have to take constant character pointer. Means you don't modify the input, whatever the input you get from the function call. That's why we are using a constant character pointer. Okay, this is the prototype. Up to now clear na? Any doubt? What is the string length? What is the definition of string length? And what is the prototype? Now, anyone tell me how to implement our own string length function? What is your approach?
Using the loop till it encounters null, we have to increment the count, and after that we have to print the count.
That's it. Simply you have to take unsigned integer, same like whatever the return type is there, size of underscore t. Same way you have to take same type of return type, because that is the count only we are returning from this function, string length function. Simply you can take in real time or whenever you practice the program also, whenever you write any identifier, you are declare any variable, it should be readable format. It should be understandable by any other person also. If you take count, count means what? Simply as a programmer, you know what you are doing in that program. But as a user, if I want to see, at that time you have to tell like string length means it will return the length. That's why you have to take length as an identifier. Simply take length. This is not a mandatory, but it is a good programmer practice. That's why I'm suggesting like whenever you implement any program, in that identifier should be readable. It should be apt to that function. That's why I'm suggesting here use length. Any doubt here? Simply initialize with 0. Then after using for loop or while loop, whatever it may be, both are fine. Simply now, if you are using for loop also fine, but while loop also both are fine. Can anyone tell if I am using for loop? How can I write by using for loop?
For I equal to 0,
Yeah.
S of I, str of I,
Okay.
comma I plus plus, as a semicolon, I plus plus,
I plus this.
len plus plus.
Okay.
Just len.
From last written alien length. Clear? Any doubt? Anyone? I think this simple one, I think all are get the concept. What is string length? How to write? First, suppose if I want to implement by using while loop. Now, how can I write?
While of str of I. Initially I is equal to 0.
Is it necessary to take another variable like I? While stri? Okay, now tell what is your approach while str of I? That's it?
Inside the loop, length plus plus and increment the I.
Okay, length plus plus. Then?
In I plus plus.
Means both are in inner loop.
Yes, sir. Initially I is equal to 0. We have to take.
Okay. Now, instead of take extra variable, is it fine? Length not equal to whatever the character we are checking, null character only, no? Is it fine?
Yes.
Now extra variable no need, na? If you take integer variables, we again increase the size. Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
For suppose is like this. Now, if there is in comment, now is it fine? Fine, na? See, from where to where we optimize our code. This is the approach you have to get the experience in the coding part. Whatever you know, first implement. After that, think twice, like is there any optimization ways are there or not. Like that, you have to improve your coding skills. Okay, like this also fine. See here, if you are using for loop, now you have to take another variable and another extra statement you have to write. First, suppose if you are using this, now simply this is fine. Simply return length. That's it. Okay. Any doubt? Clear, guys? Shall we move for another?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now tell me, what is strcat? Anyone? What it will do?
Concatenating one string at the end of another string.
At the end means append. Same na? Append and end. Whatever the string is there, suppose one string is hi, then other string is hello. If you are using string concatenation, it will resultant is it will add. This is the resultant one you will get. Anyone tell the what are the syntax for this string handling function? Simply it's add or any, for suppose it will do another one also. String concatenation means it will append the string, whatever the source string is there. Then after it will explicitly add null character at the end. Okay, this is the point also you have to remember. Okay, then now tell me what is the syntax for this predefined function. Guys, tell me if you have any doubt, like if you want the program, then we will implement the program also. Don't think like, okay, it's completed. If you want to check, just tell me, we will run the code also. Okay. Now tell me, anyone, what is the syntax for this strcat? What it will return first?
Character pointer.
Character pointer. Okay.
And string cat of destination and source.
Which type of?
Character destination pointer.
Constant source.
Character source or character destination here I have to take first argument.
Destination.
Next.
Constant
Constant.
source.
That's it. Is it correct or any
Source.
change? Character source, SRC let it be. Okay, that's it. Here the argument is what? Simply we are taking char destiny means simple character. Here we have to connect it with the pointer, na? Guys, got my point?
Yes. Yes, sir. Pointer.
Pointer we have to take. We have to collect with the pointer. Because we are collecting the array, na? Array name itself represents the address. To collect the address, we need to collect by the using pointer. Okay, now tell me what is the destination means what?
First string hi.
Hi is the destination. Source means
Second string hello.
second string, whatever you are passing. Okay. Now you have to append hello after the hi. Got the point? Now tell me what is the logic we have to implement our own string cat.
We should traverse in the first string till we get the /0.
Okay.
And then have to append the second string.
Okay. May I know the logic? Simply as you said, first we have to traverse. Means simple by using DST or any. As you said, first we have to traverse in the destination. Na? Is it correct? Okay, with this you are traversing up to last. Then come on guys, with this you are traversing up to this null character means now where you are, now you are at null character place, dst. Now what we have to do? Very simple, same, but instead of
Addressing with source.
huh. But here instead of dst, if you want, if you do here also or else here also, no problem, as we see in a strlen. But here what we have to do, simply we have to assign src but after this, whenever you are assigning, after that assigning, you have to check that not equal to null character. Any doubt? Any confusion here? We can optimize this by using this statement. Simply no need to enter into loop concept. Simply irrespective of this, simply you can add like this. After reaching the destination, after that you may modify this. After this, simply you have to return whatever the destination is there, you have to return destination. Was any doubt? Is it clear? Guys, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Now, strstr. Is it fine or just tell me, guys? No need to think like, okay, if I'm asking any question, what happened? Not like that. If you are unable to understand, just raise your voice. Okay? Now, strstr. May I know what is the usage of this?
Finding the substring in the main string and returning its address.
Okay, for suppose, like, for suppose this is my string. If I am passing this string in strstr call argument, then what happens? What it will return? Anyone? First, tell me what it will do. It will return, as you said, it will return the substring address. But there is one point you have to add: first occurrence of the substring. Any doubt? Is it clear or not? Find the first substring. That whatever the first substring address is there, that will return. Guys, any doubt, any confusion?
No.
Now tell me, what is the syntax for this? Str. Okay, if there is no substring find, at the time what it will return? On success, on failure. On success, what it will return? On failure, what it will return? Anyway, on success,
Address of
base address of the first substring. Alright? Address of first substring. This is the main thing. You have to remember first substring. On failure, what it will return? Come on, Nandini, Divya.
null.
Null. On failure, it will null. For suppose the substring not found until it reaches the null character, then it will return null. Now tell me, what is the syntax for this? If you return null means that is scatter pointer. Str. What are the arguments we are passing? Here, in previously what we are doing, str string concatenation here we are doing. That means whatever the source is there between until reach the complete the this function work, we don't change the source. That's why here we are taking the constant char here, constant character pointer. In that same manner, here we are doing what? Str. We have to check whatever the substring is there in that main string is present or not. That means in between until reach the end of the function, we don't modify the string and substring also. That's why here we have to take both the constant character pointer only. Guys, got the point or any doubt? Whatever the main string, main str, then same sub str. Is it clear? Any doubt in the function call? Anyone? Guys, tell me, is it clear or not? Do you want any program?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Clear.
Yeah. Means here main string means it will continuously checking in that main string the substring is present or not. Now tell me on which logic how to check the substring is present or not. First suppose, as you said, on failure it will return null. First suppose my main string is nothing means null. Simply I am not passing anything. In this scenario, what is the output? If the main string is nothing, empty string. In that scenario, what it will return? Not main string, my substring is nothing. I am not passing anything. Simply space. Not space, simply nothing I am passing as a substring. At that time, what it will return? Anyway, substring not found means we are not giving anything. In this scenario, it will return our main string. Guys, any doubt? Have you ever tried this like this? In substring, empty string, if you passing, what it will return? That is the question. In that scenario, it will return. We are passing main string only, na? That's why it will return only the main string. Yeah. Now tell me the logic. How to implement this? Guys, anyone? What is your approach? What happened, guys? As I said, na, how to find a substring in the main string? What is your approach?
Compare each character.
Compare each character.
Substring characters, all substring characters are compared with the main string characters.
Okay. Anyone? For this, first what we have to do, we have to take 2 pointers. Like constant pointers we have to take. For that, whatever the argument we are collecting. Okay, if as we discussed, na, if the main string is not null. If that is not null, first we have to check whatever the main string is there. Na? If the main string is not null, then simply we have to assign these 2 strings. Whatever the main strings we have, substring and main string, we have to assign 2 pointers, 2 character pointers. For suppose you have to take 2 constant character pointers like same way. PTR1. For this, you have to assign our main string. For another pointer, our substring. Now compare each character of everyone, like wherever. Anyway, you are utilizing these 2 pointers. We got no need to modify this, na? That's why utilizing these 2 pointers. Simply use while PTR of 1 not equal to null, and PTR of 2 also not equal to null. And one more thing we have to check. ptr1 is equals to then simply we have to traverse forward by using post increment operation. Anyone having doubt how it will work? Guys, any doubt? What happened? Are you people able
No,
to
sir.
understand or any confusion? Yeah. Then after strrchr, what is the need of this predefined function? What it will return? If you are calling, what it will return? strrchr. strchr, strrchr. What is the difference between these two? Guys, are you there or not? Any confusion? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt, Divya, Nandini? Any confusion? As Divya said, tell me on which function you are not able to implement your own predefined function. On that we will work.
strcmp.
Come again.
Sir, can you, sir,
Yeah, guys,
Nandini,
people are not audible. You are in mute.
Yeah, I guess C is on mute actually. Nandini, I think you are on mute.
Nandini, Divya, if you have any particular one, just chat box also you can share if you're not able to speak. Yeah, Sumit and others, Sai. Yeah, Nandini, any particular predefined function you want to implement, we will work on that by program wise. I thought.
no, sir. It's
Divya, for you, Divya, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Which one you want to implement? This memmove, memcpy, anyone you want?
Memo.
Memmove?
Yes.
Yeah, we'll do that one. Yeah, I think you people all know about this online GDP.
yes, sir.
Have you ever tried using this GDP debugging concept? Have you ever tried?
Yes, sir,
Divya,
tried.
you know the concept how to debug our code. We have to implement our own memmove. Yeah, guys. Yeah, Divya, can you tell me what it will do? Memmove means what? What it will do? For suppose if you are calling memmove, what it will do?
It will move the characters from one address to
One address to
destination.
memmove, na? Memmove means first tell me what are the arguments we have to pass. If you said it will copy or move, na, then it will also copy also it will do.
It's here memory is moving.
Memory means what? For suppose, tell me what arguments we have to pass. For suppose I am calling memmove. In that function, what are the arguments I have to pass?
Destination and source.
These two is enough?
And number of
characters.
Size. How much size you want to move? How many bytes you want to copy? Destination, source, and the num. These three arguments we have to pass. Destination means pointer to the destination memory block. Okay. Source means the pointer to the source memory block, which source you want to move. Then num means number of bytes to copy. Okay. These are the arguments we have to pass. Now tell me what is the syntax for this? Return type is what? Same character pointer.
Void pointer.
Why void pointer? My memo. Here, I will tell why we are using only void start there. Generic pointer why we are using means not only the character memory we are moving, not only integer memory we are moving. That's why we are using here return type as a void pointer. Okay, now tell me what is the first argument? Destination return type is what? How to collect? This
Void.
is always same void star. Then, but the source, source
constant void star.
Type. That's why here we have to use constant void star. Then
Size underscore t and
how many numbers you want to copy. Yeah, in main, how to write? Anyone? First, we have to take one character array. With this, we are assigning one constant string. That is okay. This is a string I am storing in that character array. We have to check before moving or after moving. That's why here I am using one printf statement. Before call. Okay. Now here I am calling my memmove function. as we discussed, we have to pass what and what? We have to pass destination, means where we have to copy.
Destination.
Destination means you have to select, you only select which is your destination. For suppose I am taking this str only. In that str I want to move. I have to move some memory part. I am taking this only, but whatever the now this is C, this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I am taking whatever the source I am taking, what the string I am taking, but I am modifying 6th place. Means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In place of world, I want to place this hello. Means I want to move this hello content, this memory, whatever the content is there in hello. That hello I want to move to 6th index. Okay? Got the point or any doubt? For that, I have to give the source also. From where I have to move. Here we have to pass source, na?
STR.
STR. Then after, how many
Number of bytes. 5.
number of bytes you want to? Means this is how many bytes? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 bytes, na? 0 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 bytes I want to move. But suppose, 4 bytes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, na? Okay. We'll pass only HELL. Hell only we will move. Don't take HEL. L only. Okay. After this, simply I am printing after. This is after. After call. Now tell me what is the operation I have to do. What is the logic I have to implement. Anyway, we are using above the main, that's why this no need above the declaration. Okay. Now tell me what is your approach. First, we have to take one pointer to store our destination. Okay. Then after, we are taking another variable, that is constant. Void, na? Constant void star. Okay, now we have to check. For suppose whatever the D is there, na? D overlap. We have to avoid the overlap. For that, what we have to do? We have to check one condition. Now we have to increase we are assigning whatever the source we have. There we have to assign our source content. Or else, if it is overlapping case, if it is making overlap happen, at that time we go for else part. Here simply we have to do whatever the destination is there. Same way with S also, source. Then after same thing, but irrespective of this plus plus, here we have to perform minus minus. After this, simply you have to return whatever the destination means we are assigning the pointer only. That's why simply we can send destination. Any doubt? Guys, are you there?
Yes,
See,
sir.
what we are passing here, our main is hello world. Then what we are doing from whatever the destination we are giving, the main string plus 5, 6. From W we are moving the bytes. How many bytes? From str we are copying 3 bytes. That should be hell. 0, 1, 2 means 1, 2, 3. Hell is there, hell. Whatever the LD is there, as it is there. But it is moving. HGLL. Any doubt? Any confusion? Yeah. We will move for the another one. Yeah, Adarsh and
No, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, can you once again tell strcr function, sir?
STR.
Yes,
Means
sir.
it will. Okay, we'll go for the coding wise.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. What is STR? That we write the definition only. What is the written type of STR? Character pointer. Okay. What are the arguments we have to pass? Both are STR. Now we have to check whether the substring is present or not. That's why here we have to take both or as a constant character pointer.
Sir, screen not shared, sir.
Not share? No?
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
yeah, yeah.
Okay.
This is
Wait. Is it visible now?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Constant char, whatever the string we are taking. But suppose substring, take main str. Constant char simply substring, substr. Okay, this is the function definition we have to implement. Now come to main. Yeah, in main, what we are doing, simply I am taking two strings. str1 is equals to, for suppose here I am checking, hello, this is a test string. Okay, this is the my one string and my substring is I am taking as test. Okay, that means in this str1 my substring is present or not. If it is present, we have to print that address where is exactly is there, means which index it will present. Now we are calling, like we are take one result, or else simply you can take directly also. If my str simply you are passing str1 is a main string and str2 is my substring. As we discussed, if the substring present, it will return the where it index, what index it will present, or else it will return null. For suppose else means not found. For suppose on success means something, it will means substring present is there. That means it will return. That's why here we have to print like substring found at position. To get that result, you have to simply, okay, you have to find not only index. If you want to check the index also, at that time what you have to do, irrespective of this one, you have to take another one character pointer, the result, or else simply r as a result I am taking. Here I am calling if my r is collecting with not equal to null, then I will get like my substring is present in that main string. Now I want to print the position. That's why here you have to take index value. That's why whatever the or means base address. That's why I have to subtract whatever the result I got minus str1 from that main string. If I am subtracting this one, I will get whatever the index. For suppose it is present at this position, I want to get that index position, means it will return the index position. That's why I have to return this index total, this position minus this address. Then I will get the index value. That's why I am using this one. Else substring is not found. Okay, up to now we are checking. After we know what my strr has written what. It will return index value or base address where substring we got. Then after if not present it will tell null strr. Now we have to implement our own strr how it will works. Yeah. Now tell me what is your approach? As we said now, if for suppose if the substring is empty substring, then it will return main string only. But to avoid that, we have to check whatever the substring is there. If it is equal to null, simply you have to return catch the main str. Okay, this is one scenario. In another scenario, for suppose we have like the substring is present. In this scenario, we have to traverse until we have to get the substring. For that, we have to take one loop. While whatever the main string is there, na? Main str is there until we have to reach null. Okay, while traversing, what we have to do? We have to store main and substring values. For that, I am taking another pointer. For suppose p1 is equals to, for this I am assigning main str. Another one I am choosing substring for another pointer. Now I want to compare the character of main string and the substring. For that, again I have to run another loop. In that condition, we have to check until same scenario. Before we are saying na, whatever the p1 not equal to null, and star p2, what is second pointer also not equal to null. And one more thing we have to check, whatever the main substring is there na, equal to, that is also we have to check. What main thing is, until we have to get the same substring, we have to loop in this loop only. For that, we have to check p1 is equal to p2. This is the only main logic you have to remember. Here we have to increase our p1 and p2. See, this is for traverse our main string traverse up to null character. While traversing, what we are doing, first whatever the main string is there, that is assigned to P1, substring assigned to P2. Now P1 and P2, like whenever you got until you have to reach P1 and for suppose it is match first character of substring and main string until it will reach the substring. For suppose first character match, second character match, but until it will reach the P2 become null. Okay, then it will come outside. For that we have to check these two conditions. We have to traverse until we have our main condition this one only. We have to find this substring. For suppose this condition fails while traversing P1, P2 not equal, then it won't enter into this while loop. It will iterate here only, outer while loop, until it reaches the null character. Whenever the character match of the main string and substring, then only it will enter into this loop. Got the point? Any doubt here?
Yes, sir. Got it.
After that, we have to check if the end of the substring is reached, return the null position means we have to reach null character of the substring. Then only we have to return. Until unless we don't need to return anything. That's why here we have to check whatever the substring we are taking P2, in P2 we are storing. If equal to null means until null character it will iterated in the inner while loop. Then only you have to return. Catch that substring. Strr only, strr, yeah. Or else, not here. Whenever this inner loop means you are iterated completion, then you have to increase this main string. Wait, I will minimize this one. See, this is the one loop we are taking our main string. Is it clear or any? For visualization, I am minimizing this one. This is our main logic here we are implemented. Our main string started, we have to traverse up to null character. While traversing, what we have to do? First, we are storing our main string and substring both to the P1 and P2. For suppose, if the first character is matched with the P1 and P2, then we have to traverse until we have to check whether the substring is present or not in that location. If not, simply terminated, then again it will incremented, main string part incremented. From there onwards, means substring means what? For every character from main string, the substring is present or not. Okay, I will run the code. After that, you will get the better clarity. For suppose, even though traversing after null character, in that scenario, what we are saying, on failure, it will return null. Okay, just implementation done. I am run the code. Test is at -5. Now, what we are doing? result only, na? Test -5. Result not equal to null. Yeah. Substring only we are passing. Whatever the result we got is stored in R. str only. -5 we got by 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No. Okay, first what we're doing, this is for traversing. Guys, anyone finding the bug or any doubt? If you are any finding, just let me know. Meanwhile, I will also checking. See, first one is for suppose, yeah. Let's checking the all scenarios. For suppose this is a scenario, it will return main string only. If I am done, position 0 means this is the substring it will return. Or else if it is means this is not present in the substring, it means it will return null, means substring not found we are expecting. Okay, substring not found means these two cases successfully run, means now something it will return, but what exactly we are did. For suppose if I am using this substring, I am passing same -5 what? Guys, you people understand why these two conditions are writing. These two are successfully run, two scenarios. But whenever the substring is present, we are getting -5. Anyway, first suppose if it is substring present or not, this is the scenario. Anyway, we are not, as of now, we are not achieving the exact index location. Okay, we'll fix it this here only.
Sir,
Yeah.
you written R minus str, sir, in main condition. Into main.
Yeah, into main.
Substring coordinate position R minus str1. R means what the location we found the substring.
Yes, highest
str1
location.
minus R we have to, yes, str1 minus R we have to do.
str1 means base address, na? For suppose it is 1000.
Okay.
What is the address? It is increased, na? That's why I'm writing this one.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah. Not the substring. Here we have to pass main string only. Okay. Okay. Anyway, we are. Yes. Here we are modified the main string only, but here I am returning substring. That's why I am getting the -5. Here we have to pass main string only. Return. If you run this, see 7. See 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the 7. At the 7 index, I have this substring. For suppose if I am passing here test. See the output 17. Means up to now 7, na? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Got the point?
Yes, sir.
See, previously I am returning substring. But here we are modifying what? Main string only, na? Means where we get exactly. That will find by the main string. We are doing by the main string only, we are checking. From that main string only, we are checking. See, P1 is main string only, na? From that P1 only, we are checking. P2, we are every character we are checking. That's why here we have to check we have to pass return main string only. Clear or any doubt, Nandini? Nandini only, na?
Clear, sir. Clear, sir.
And Sumit?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir, clear.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Anyway, guys, it is 10:20. I don't know why today it's only single-way communication. Anyway, I will share you the content, whatever the predefined functions, user-defined functions, I will share with you people. Anyway,
Yes, sir.
we will upload in our website for every predefined function and its syntax and its usage and its sample input and output, like that.
Yes.
Okay. For next week, which topic you want to discuss? The same string handling functions we have to practice or any other?
Sir, command line argument.
Command line argument. Okay. Any other? Nandini and others? Others, are you there?
Yes, sir. Fine, sir. Command line argument.
Okay, command line argument. Nandini, from your side?
Sir, I will message in the group, sir. After I will see.
Okay. Yeah,
Yes, sir.
yeah, Balmiki.
Yeah.